look at that webcam, saw the moon, and thought maybe we check the moon. This is the lamp, this is the moon, this is 12 Sunday, local time, 12 December. Early in the morning, you see still dark in that spot. Webcam, you're looking at this object behind the moon. What is behind the moon? Surroundings. I have some pictures for you from spaceship of 𝀭Extraterrestrial, and we're gonna talk about other stuff, what's going on in Los Angeles, fires, and other stuff. Just we look here. Just look nearby. See all the stuff here. Of course, this is not seen with naked eyes, only with the infrared webcam. So we take a look here up above the moon. See some stuff here above the moon. See some kind of structure. See here how it look like it's a kind of line. So difference in colors, creating a line. This is because it's giving this light and from this region. But what is behind the moon actually is supposed to be like dark, totally dark, and it's not. This is what I'm saying. So yeah, so we look about, we come back here when the moon went down a little bit. Otherwise, do you see how it's looking? The moon is giving light up, and it's reflecting colors, amazing colors. The surroundings are seen. What is in the behind? Beautiful colors. So if we had the infrared ability in our sight, in our eyes, we could have seen this with our naked eyes, as you speak now, in the sky. This is west-north. So maybe different places at night. If you see a light, you need to check it out. So we go to the pictures. You see the spaceship of 𝀭Extraterrestrial. You see how it's looking like. We seen this one. This was the last unknown UFO. See how it's metallic, reflecting light in the back. We saw this one, and we saw even this one. That was, of course, January the 17th. The 9th of January, and you see this one here. This is above the building, spaceship of 𝀭Extraterrestrial, and this is the UFO. See here how it's doing, and so I'm gonna make this one short this weekend. Just gonna check for tonight, what happened tonight, early tonight, and then we finish. So This is the morning star here. See this stuff? See some kind of a structure in the sky. This is not seen with naked eyes, of course. This is only see the colors. So it goes all this corner in the screen. If you look near, you see the stuff. So imagine all the dust and this twin space, and still seeing all articles like the light is so enormous, it's reaching our sun. This is our sun. So yeah, it's falling. And this is okay. This is the moon. And the moon, you can see here, the moon without the moon. You see one object light, you see the other object. Here the moon, you see the both objects. This is an old one, old before. This is 2022. Also very nice, the shot. Yeah, you think I can do this one? This is real. You see the different colors. So this picture 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and still there. See here the Venus, or is it? No, this is spaceship of King Anu, the most high. Here, you see, this is one I told you about. This is from early to night. You zoom out a little bit, you see it's doing. You see the shape. Try to wipe up the screen a little bit. So I get this one. You see the shape inside? So you see here also, this is spaceship of God, Keanu. He is everywhere. Even he sits on the throne as we speak, and he's in a spaceship hovering around Earth, and the spaceship scene. Sometimes it come very near the city, the buildings, and almost touch, and probably touch the buildings from the up. I never see it land, but I see it on the building, like maybe hovering above, but see here as well. See how it changed. So yeah, it must be seen by now for more people, I believe, and of course there's a refusal. Say it's not scientific, cannot be true. They say, and I say not about scientific. Talked about parapsychology. Talked about science and religion and faith, and where we can have scientific stuff and even religious stuff at the same time, like the story of the uh, big collision with the planet Theia that hit Earth long time ago, or planet Theia was hit by like a planet hit the planet. One was called Theia, and this Theia became the moon, and the Milky Way, and the Earth. The rest of was combined with the moon. And then from the moon we have the sun. Like the moon is the father of the sun, and the moon is actually became female, or was a man, and the sun it became female, and the sun was male, and the father is the moon. The moon, Ya, La, Yahu, Lahu. Also, this masculinity in the moon. So the moon cannot be female, but actually in Yahweh is the moon both male and female, transgender and stuff. Talked about this one before. So the moon, let's say it's male, and the sun is male, because the Earth is married to the father, and the Earth is the mother. Mother is female, and the father is male, and the sun is a male, because the sun and the moon males, and they have their wives, and like even God was married to Earth. Then the separation, and then the wedding, the wedding, the New Jerusalem, the morning star, the new heaven and new earth, the new heaven, the new sun, the second sun, and the new earth, Nibiru. So this is all the wedding, about the wedding of the lamb. This is, you have it here as well. You see here. You look. Check this out. So this spaceship of King Anu, we see it here in that spot where we see the morning star. So I'll make the connection. Here you have it as well. And we know it from before, how it's doing. This is Venus. See the difference? Totally round. Okay. See here the colors. It's not moving picture. So we can look here. We see more colors. This one. I want to show you this one. This is in the sky. I don't know what it is. It's like gold-like colors, very bright. This is in the sky tonight. I don't know what it is. Stuff here. If you look carefully here, you see the stuff. I don't know what it is. Here it's like a valley in the middle, some kind of bridge. have it again. Stuff. So we have it again here. This color. This is in the early morning. See it like this. Most people true believe this is a lens flare. I can understand their like motivation is actually connected to nobody want to be afraid and stuff like that. So we go back to I have made a video about that subject actually to show you the evidence that this is real by when the dust comes and it covers up the morning star. So this is let's see here. That's the Thursday. Let's watch. You see here, you cannot see nothing in the sky because there's some kind of dust. But when it settles down, everything becomes clear. You see how it settled down? It's kind of the white. It's kind of wind was covering all the sky. Let's go from the beginning. It's come like here. You see nothing. See? It's totally white. You see only the lamp. This is some kind of dust, light, or wind. When it settles down, you see what's behind. But now we don't see nothing because of the whiteness coming from this wind. So we settle down, we will see the two objects. So you see now one object. You didn't see it before. It was covered up by the white. And now you see the second object. And the white went down. You see now? This is the evidence for you people to believe this showing is real. If it was lens flare, it would not cover the white. The white would be like behind the lens flare, like in front of it. Now it's behind, meaning it's not the lens flare. It's real. You see the difference, people? Let's remember how it was. Again, we go there. It was like white, 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 white. Then when we went, it went down until it became clear again. Like here when it went down. See, it's standing up, yeah. Here we start seeing it again. Before it was not seen. You see how it's going down? It's going down. So yeah, people, this is real. So just in case you wonder why nobody's talking about it, they see it, and that's affecting. It's affecting the so-called magnetic. It's affecting the GPS and stuff. Most probably, the effect will rise, and we were hearing about planes falling and stuff. They said birds and they said other stuff, but the magnetic forces are affecting magnetosphere, I think it's called. So it can affect the devices and many stuff. This one maybe we'll see this one. Here was doing other footage. Yeah, so this camera is not very good, but Here I have also one I want to show you. Then we finish. So yeah, here in the morning you see it different. So here it is. So here I have take a sound. So here this one, maybe you've seen this one. So here we see the moon as if above like a pyramid, and here what's behind. Very nice view. Very nice view indeed. You see here. Very nice. The moon is lighting up what's behind surrounding. You see still two objects. So this is an older footage, but we see the colors and stuff like very different. This is another telephone, another camera. So I'm aware that most people they don't believe that some object in the sky. Say why cannot we see it and stuff like that. This is the light. You cannot reach our sight in darkness unless this infrared webcam captures the heat and it comes like that. So of course there's a heat source, extra heat source. So explain the warm weather, but of course it affects also the sun rays and stuff becomes cold, but sometimes very cold, different times, and very hot other times. So here it looks like also the light trying to show it from a different angle. This is here. This is what you see like this. So we see the one portion, and this portion is having colors, blue color. So this is like we look at something from far, far behind, and then we look up here. You see the difference? Here, this you see the colors different. So here, what's up in the moon? You see some kind of brown. What is behind the moon is not the sky. Supposedly to be a sky, like dark, dark sky. And the moon now becomes like flat. You see, it's becoming like it's landing on a surface, landing on a surface. And here up, we see stuff here as well. So you see here the yes, you see some kind of movement. This is the speed, and of course movement. You see it like this, like it's like some kind of movement. That's about the speed. And then here we see structure starting here, but we know that the moon is still on the horizon. So here is not supposed to be structure behind. So everything that is behind the light, the two lines of light, are real structure and does not belong to the city, because you cannot have the moon between the upper and lower city. Does not, unless the upper city is a real city that is seen in the sky. So what I'm saying is, this is the moon, right, landing in the horizon, coming like that. So this is where the light is still the horizon. So what is behind and what is near, what is on the left and the right side of this light is actually in the sky. And it is looking like other stuff. Not supposed to be there. So we watch because it's going down very, very fast. The moon, the light. We watch until that, and then we finish. You see here. If you look, you see stuff. So still we're looking at the moon here, uh, disappearing in the horizon. When it disappears, then we know the limit of the city in the horizon. This is what I'm saying. This is the limit. Let's say as if the light is like when you see the moon on the sea. There's no sea there. The sea is here. You see, this is still up in the sky, and you see the light. This is the moon. This is the moon coming down, coming down. You see how it's coming down, and you see all this behind. You see, the moon becomes like, you see, still there, though. Come dimmer, come dim, like hardly seen. This is what is seen actually. This is the moon, people. Look how it's doing. It is landing on a surface as if it is on the ocean. There's no ocean there. So it must be another ocean in the sky. So, of course, yeah, the serpent's coming down. Yeah. Actually, the serpent, the white serpent, is Jesus Christ. I talked about this one before. Jesus Christ is the white serpent who gave us the ability of procreation, become like gods. Jesus Christ, he said, you know that you are gods, and our Father in heaven is the Father of all gods and Father of all. Of course, we have our mother also. She's the mother of all gods, and the wedding is coming. The New Jerusalem, our mother will marry our father again, and hopefully everybody is invited to the wedding. Where's the moon now? This is what is left from the moon, and of course, now we know why it became like a line. It was actually landing. Now it landed on a surface, and the surface is behind the horizon. That's why we don't see it anymore. So it was actually the moon, and we saw that the moon was not covering up, was not covered up by the lens flare. If you call these ones lens flare, they should have covered the moon. They or but they were behind the moon all the time. That meaning that is real, and even the wind. Show you the white wind, the white dust storm that went in that region and covered all these two objects, and then when it settled down, it was clear again. So yeah, now we have a half hour We're gonna check a little bit on what's going on in the fires in Los Angeles, and then we finish. Hopefully, calm down a little bit. But so they're still fighting, trying to contain a monster Palisades fire. LA firefighters. So yeah, they have still problem coming with this firefighters, trying a race to contain the wildfires. So winds to pick up and then come harder, and they need to water. So yeah, somebody need to talk about this one. Like they need to have coverage, and Los Angeles fires continue burning as more residents placed under evacuation orders. So now 16 deaths. Sorry for the losses. We are all sorry. We don't need this one. This people are saying like who did this one, but then we have this message, awful message from. I didn't watch this one, but they are writing like this. This is just the beginning. Some kind of threat. This is Galactic Federation and stuff. So the wildfires are an initiation. So you watch this on your own risk. They claim a lot of stuff. They maybe are claiming they have done this one. Extraterrestrial Galactic Federation. Galactic Federation L station. So yeah, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this one. We take another look before we finish. You see here when the light comes, it disappears. So you don't have this all the time, of course, only in the night. And this is some kind of dark advertisement. And, you see? So yeah, blessings.